Hello and thank you for joining us at Legal CPN. In this video we will go over what is included in the Automotive Primary Tradeline package. All the information and instructions are included in this purchase. You will be given all of the necessary information so you can be added to these very special primary tradeline accounts. All of these accounts are real primary accounts, real credit reporting, real results, and the real building of your CPN. You can be added to these automotive trade lines immediately. Build your credit profile quick and easy with these very special primary trade line accounts. If you're looking for the primary trade line holy grail, you found it. Create and add automotive trade lines, get a real check after you're added, and reap the benefits of a real automotive primary trade line on your credit report. You will receive all of the necessary information to quickly and easily add these automotive primary trade lines. Quick pre-approval in minutes. There are no credit checks or credit scores required. During the addition process, once your information is verified, you will receive a loan up to $10,000 and obtain a physical credit card. Yes, you heard that right. You get an automotive primary trade line and a check for up to $10,000. With a credit card based on that loan, fast pre-approval, no credit check and no credit score. Included free with your purchase. Our most popular ebooks. Yes, you can buy a car with a CPN number. This ebook contains all of the information you need about buying a car with your CPN. This must-have ebook is for anyone looking to unlock the full potential of a CPN. It's true. Banks, underwriters, and computers can only see what is in front of them. As a result, having the right primary trade lines is critical. Nobody, and I mean nobody, can tell if the primary accounts you've added to your profile were set up solely to boost and build your credit profile. Get started now, and remember, if you require more trade lines, simply purchase another combo package. Click, add, and subscribe, and welcome to the Legal CPN community.